Next cell organelles is of ribosomes. Ribosome was first seen by Claude and distinctly observed by the Pallidae and given the name ribosomes. Ribosomes, these are the small granular particles that is composed from RNA and proteins. These are small granular structures that is made up from the RNA and proteins. Normally, the two types of ribosomes present in the cells, that is in prokaryotic cells, 70S type of ribosome there, and eukaryotic cells, that is of 80S type of ribosome is there. 70S having two subunit, that is of 50S and another is of 30S, that is of Svedberg units, and 80S having that is two subunit, that is of 60S and another is of 40S subunits. We can say this is larger subunits and this one is of smaller subunit of, this is of 30S and this is of 50S. Here like this is the 40S and this one is of larger subunits of 68 subunits and this one is of 40S subunit. And in 50S subunit, that is in 50S, that is 23S ribosomal RNA present, 23S ribosomal RNA present, 5S ribosomal RNA present, and 5S ribosomal RNA present, and 34 protein molecule is there. That is of 34 protein molecules. 23S ribosomal RNA, 5S ribosomal RNA, and 34 protein molecules is there. In 30S subunit, that is 16S ribosomal RNA present, along with 16S ribosomal RNA, that is of 21 protein molecule is there. 21 protein molecules present in the smaller subunit of 70S ribosome. Here if we see in 60S and 40S, that is in 50S ribosome, that is 20S, 28S ribosomal RNA present here, and that is another 5.8 S ribosomal RNA and 5S ribosomal RNA present with the larger subunit, that is of 60S, and 40 protein molecules present. 40 protein molecules present with the larger subunit, that is of 60S. If we see the 40S, that is of 18S ribosomal RNA, 18S ribosomal RNA, and 30 protein molecules present. This is the composition of different protein and ribosomal RNA molecules. If we see, that is, if we see the molecular weight, that is of 2.123 Dalton, molecular weight of the 70S ribosome, 2.223 or 2.123 Dalton. Here 4 to 5, 4 to 4.5 Dalton molecular weight present in the other 60S ribosomes. So these are the different two type of ribosomes along with their composition. Mainly ribosome present both the two subunits of ribosome attach with the help of magnesium ion concentration. Magnesium ion concentration पर ये डिपेंड करती है, दोनों जुड़े रहेंगे या if the magnesium ion concentration will be decreases, both the subunit will be apart from each other. If the magnesium ion concentration will be increases, it's many ribosomes join together, they form polyribosomes. Like this one is of polyribosomes. Polyribosome, that many ribosomes join together that form the polyribosome at higher magnesium ion concentration. Main function of that ribosome is of protein synthesis. The main function, that is of protein synthesis. That's why the ribosome is known as protein factory. Protein due to protein synthesis, these are known as protein factory. At the time of protein synthesis, these polyribosomes are formed. Means more than one ribosomes combined together, they form the polyribosome at the time of protein synthesis. If we see difference between the 70S ribosome and 80S ribosome, 70S, another is of 80S, it is present in prokaryotic cell. It is present in eukaryotic cell. Its subunit is, that is of 50S and 30S. Its subunit, that is of 60S and 40S. And different types of protein, that is 23, 5 and 16S protein is there. 23, 5 and 16 ribosomal RNA present. Ribosomal RNA present and ribosomal RNA present. This one is the larger subunit, this one is the smaller subunit, and here 28, 5.8, 5 and 18 ribosomal RNA. Present with these three, one with the larger subunit and this one is with the smaller subunit. If we see that here 34 protein molecule is there, with the larger subunits and 21 protein with the smaller subunit. And if you see in 80S ribosome, that is 40 molecules, 40 protein with large subunit and 30 protein molecules with the smaller subunit. If you see the molecular weight, that is 2 to 3 Dalton, and here 4 to 4.5 Dalton molecular weights. So this is the comparison between the 80S ribosomes and 70S types of ribosomes. Then the next cell organelles is of cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton are the filamentous network. Filamentous network present in the cell, and normally it is made up from protein. Filamentous proteinaceous network that present inside the cell, and these filamentous network help in the endoskeletal system of the cell. Endoskeletal system inside the cell, अंदर का जो सिस्टम है, skeletal system है, वो बनाने का काम करता है. It help in the provide mechanical support. It provide maintain the shape of the cell, or it regulate the distribution orientation of different cell organelles. इसके mechanical support, distribution of different cell organelles और shape of the cell provide करने का काम. These are the microtubules or microfilaments, protein filaments that is made up from tubulin proteins. ट्यूबुलिन प्रोटीन के थ्रू ये बने होते हैं और शेप और मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करने का काम करते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट इज ऑफ सीलिया एंड फ्रेजिला. सीलिया एंड फ्रेजिला. Cilia normally present all over the surface of the cell or organism. Flagella may be 1, 2 or 4. एक हो सकते हैं, 2 हो सकते हैं, 4 हो सकते हैं. That these are the hair-like growths. Hair-like growths present all over the body surface of the organism. Outgrowths. Cilia comparatively short and flagella comparatively large in size. If we see the internal structure of the cilia or flagella, transverse structure of cilia or flagella, it's made up from 9 filaments, and that 9 filaments made up from tubular proteins. I draw one filament here. This is, and this one is of another. This is microtubules, and here like this total 9 filament is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one is of 9 filament is there, and these are attached with the central filaments with the spoke, and this is the central seal, which is made up again 2 central filaments, and such type of arrangement that is known as 9 plus 2 arrangement, that is of 9 plus 2 arrangement. And outer surface it is covered by the plasma membrane. This is plasma membrane of cilia or flagella. These are peripheral microtubules. Peripheral micro. These are central microtubules. And this is the radial spoke. So this is the structure of flagella, which is present in the eukaryotic cells. This 9 plus 2 arrangement is not present in the prokaryotic structure, and its function is of help in the movement or catching of different food material and other things. That is the internal structure of cilia and flagella. Then next structure or next cell organelles is of centrosome and centrioles. Some and centrioles. Centrosome and centrioles. Centrosome, it is cylindrical portion or cylindrical structure which is made up from two centrioles. It is cylindrical structure that is made up from two centrioles, or its unit is known as centrioles, and these two centrioles parallel to each other, perpendicular to each other. These two centrioles perpendicular to each other, and centrioles normally present near the nucleus. Centrioles present in eukaryotic cells. It is absent in the prokaryotic cells, not present in the prokaryotic cells, present only in eukaryotic cells. If we see that the structure of centrioles, again, it is made up from 9 filaments. It is made up from 9 filament, and each filament is made up from triplets, just like these are 9 filaments, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. If we see the structure, these are the 9 filaments, and each filament from 3 microtubules, that is the centrioles, and it is parallelly arranged, these 9 filaments, but the two centrioles which make a centrosome, both are the parallel to each other. Both the centrioles present in the centrosome parallel to each other. It is present near the nucleus, and its main function that during the cell division, it helps in cell division. During the cell division in animal cell, is formed spindle fiber. In plant cell, it is absent centrioles. So these are different cell organelles we discussed, which is present inside the cell, and one more part of the cell, that is of nucleus, we discussed in the next period. And these different parts I revise once their name. This membranic system, that is of ER, Golgi body, lysosome, mitochondria, that is plastic, ribosome, cilia, and flagella, that is of centrioles. These are the different main cell organelles which is present inside the cells and perform different function and perform different function of the cells